Nissan Urban launched a blockbuster caravan in San Juan, Batangas on Saturday. 50 Nissan Urbans have joined the said caravan. The event started from San Juan Nepomuceno Church and ended in a gas station at Talahiban, Batangas. Moreover, the main objective of the said caravan is to showcase the urban force in Nissan Lipa.
Well, basically, it has just been conceptualized because we have a lot of urbans that we released here. It's something like 80% of our sales from Lipa, from Nissan Lipa, is actually coming from urban, and majority of those are being utilized as business tool for people of San Juan. Ang biyahe niyan Lipa here, and so since meron tayong ngayon summer, and then a lot of tourists is actually coming to San Juan, so we might as well have such an activity so that the further awareness of those clients would be enhanced.
Meantime, drivers and operators noted that they have chosen Nissan Urban because it has large seating capacity, the air-conditioned is cooler than any other shuttles, and its services are fully reliable.
Ano po nagustuhan niyo sa Urban?
Ang una, lalo na ang aircon, napakagaling ng aircon. Sa akin palagay, talagang magaling ang Urban. Maganda ang performance talaga. Sa performance ng Urban ko, hindi ako tinitirik, malakas ang aircon. Maganda ang performance ng Urban, maluwag, sa loob, kaya nagustuhan ko Urban.
Kasi sa performance, ang Urban maganda talaga. Talagang dagdag panghanap buhay. Ako, hindi lang ako operator, ako empleyado, pero bumibiyahe din ako dahil sa Nissan Urban.
Meantime, when drivers and operators were asked if Nissan Urban is considered as #1 in Batangas, they all said, For GNN March Wamar, News Force.